Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to register a trademark that is a brand name in Karnataka. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Karnataka register a trademark that is brand name. Users, please don't forget to hit like button for this video after viewing, and also hit the subscribe button for subscribing to our channel for more such videos. In this page we have given detailed procedure along with explanations and instructions for a user to complete this procedure. Also, you can see few links for external websites and forms which will be useful in completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you with the due course of our presentation. Also, use the select language button here to select the language of your choice from the drop down menu to understand this process easily. List of items covered in this session: need to register a trademark that is brand name, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us find the need to register a trademark. Trademark is an important aspect for a business to expand its business potential. The trademark is the goodwill which supports the identity for a business. So it protects your hard-earned goodwill and others from cashing on your goodwill in the business. Meaning, if you have a logo or a company name and that is giving a good business, and if someone in the same place or a different place uses the same name and attracts a crowd on that name, then it is not advisable one for you, because you are suffering. It is your hard-earned name. So, in order to make sure that no one uses your brand name, please register a trademark. It protects your name, brand name, from being used in same or similar fashion by any other business firm, gives products a status or branded goods the exclusive right to use the trademark and to obtain relief in respect of infringement, misuse by others of the trademark. A trademark is a visual symbol which may be a word, signature, name, device, label, numerals, or combination of colors used by one. The legal requirements to register a trademark under the Act are: the selected mark should be capable of being represented graphically, that is in the paper form. It should be capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one undertaking from those of others. It should be used or proposed to be used in relation to goods or services for the purpose of indication. Documents required: you need power of attorney signed by the applicant. In case of corporate body, a director or a legal representative of the company will solely be the main person. So it is actually a representative to get this work done has to be in front. Graphical representation of the design, Aadhaar card, company ROC details, GST details if required, or the documents required. Graphical representation of the design, don't worry if you are if you feel it is too complicated. There are many organizations or people who are around to help you to create the design. So make use of them to do this design. Let us see how to apply. Apply in person. As a first step to register a trademark is to identify the category under which you would like to register a trademark. The classes 1 to 34 deal with goods, meaning any of the products, while classes 35 to 45 deals with services like security service, manpower service. So these are all other services, service related and goods related. So those two categories. So you need to identify first which class you belong to. Word and logo trademark have to be filed separately. This means that the name of your brand should be filed under class 10 and separately for any graphical representation, your logo. The link for a form to register the design is provided in our page 2. So let us go to our page under how to apply in person. The form link which provided here will help you in reaching that. So this is the application forms page which helps you to download the respective form applicable for you. So you will need to sign a power of attorney to authorize your lawyer or to act as your agent. A trademark can be filed in individual capacity, but always applying through a professional who is experienced enough to handle this will save a lot of time and also will avoid any other problems in the future. So a trademark search is optional but allows you to go through the process smoothly and identify in advance if any conflicts that may arise later. So a trademark search will be done. The lawyer will file your trademark application with the trademark office and send you the receipt. After a few days, the lawyer will send you the original representation sheet of your trademark as it has been filed with the trademark office once he gets them back. Once your trademark is approved from the other side, it is published in the trademark journal. Office location and contact information for you is provided in this link, which is again located in our page. Please go down. It is the contact link. You can reach the contact page where you can select the respective authority or office corresponding to your area limits. For filing new application, there are prescribed forms depending on the nature of the application, such as form TM1, TM2, TM3, TM8, TM51. So go through the form which is applicable for you, download and use it. Let us see how to apply through online. Applicants can use the online methodology by using the link provided here. So in our page under online section, we have given the same link. Use this link so that you will reach a page which will look like this. So use the username and password. So as a new user, you can use a new user sign up process to sign yourself in this page, where you will get a page like this. Here select the type of applicant, proprietor, agent or attorney, and enter the code which is given to you, and enter the click on the process so that you will reach the next page where you will have to fill in the required details to proceed for getting the username and password in your email ID which is provided while applying. So please use the username and password for applying online, and also you can reach this page to check whether the clause which you are requiring is already not registered. So if it is not registered, you will save a lot of time. So once you enter the username and password and say hit login, you will be reaching the next page. It is a welcome to comprehensive online filing trademark. So once you have this screen, click on the new form link here so that you will get the new forms. So click the appropriate form which is applicable for you, and select the type of applicant you are. Once you select the type, you will reach the next page. Here in this page, please select trademark application and enter the class. As I specified, you have to get the class which is applicable for you. Enter the class. So use this button if you don't know the class verification as of now, so that you will understand which class you belong to. Enter the number and hit submit so that you will reach the next page. In this page, there will be a set of information which you need to provide as a user. Please provide all the information and hit the respective button to reach the next page. You can update the details invariably if there is anything needs to be changed. If everything is changed, click the update button so it gets updated, and please go through the following steps. Once you done you can click the preview button to see all the information whatever you provided through this form TMA is appropriate for your requirement. So once you go through the form details, whatever the details entered are correct, then hit the respective button to reach the next page, that is to sign your application. Once you sign your application here successfully, the online procedure is logged in, but you have to make the payment. For making payment, use the payment option button here so that you will get a make payment option available. Click on this, you will reach the payment gateway page. Here you have to select the respective payment gateway option applicable for you, credit, debit, net banking, whichever is applicable, and select the subsequent options and enter the details which are prompted for. Hit the right button to make the online payment. Once you made the payment, you can get the acknowledgement for the payment made. Please keep it safe, and you can download the form which you have successfully signed. Keep those things till you get the next intimation, so that it will be processed further to get this work done. As I said, please keep the respective documents scanned before applying online. Eligibility trademark can be filed either by the company and hence owned by the company and its shareholders, or by the founder and licensed to the company. Validity: the term of registration of trademark is valid for 10 years but may be renewed subject to payment of the prescribed fee in accordance with the provision of the Trademark Act 1999. An application for renewal of a trademark can be filed within 6 months from the expiry of the last registration of the trademark. Fees: 3,500 per mark per class. Lawyer will charge rupees 1,000 to 3,000 per mark per class as per his experience. Rupees 500 for trademark search. It can vary from place to place also. Please consult with your lawyers before that, meaning the lawyer charges. Processing time: it takes about 18 to 24 months to receive a trademark. Offices and contacts: Intellectual Property India, Baudik Sampada Bhavan, Antop Hill, Mumbai 37. Phone and email ID are provided here. Deputy Controller of Patents and Design Patents of Office, Sampada Bhavan, GST Road, Guindy, Chennai 32. Phone number, email ID are provided here for interaction to clarify your doubts and complaints. Also, the contact links provided here will give access to the contact page, which is also available in our page at under Office and Contacts. Please use this link so that you can reach the contact session to get the details of the contact information and proceed for any further information requirements. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct access to these websites which we have used so far to complete this procedure. Please use them appropriately. Understanding the importance of these websites, we have provided them at appropriate places as link to save your valuable time. Other information: it is advisable to conduct a trademark search for the relevant class before filing the application to register a trademark in order to make sure that there is no identical or similar trademark already registered or for which an application for registration has been submitted. It is very mandatory. If you do this, you will save a lot of time and money. Generally, one has filed an application pending registration, meaning it is not yet completed, can use TM designated with the mark to alert the public of his exclusive claim which is pending. The claim may or may not be valid also. The registration symbol or within the circle may only be used when the trademark is registered. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to register a trademark or brand name in Karnataka.